Yo, bro, how's it, bro? It's WookiE's best. It's like the top 10, but with added speed and protein. If you put some butters to know, they're clapping giveaways hard, China. They got double 30 kg dumbbells on the bench press there, and they're hitting it up with keyboards and headsets and cooling kits and chairs and lack of places to put your patootie after you clap the squats and even nice cases and stuff. So if you aren't a part of the giveaways, how are you ever gonna win, bro? Clapping it straight into the top 10 though, but at number 10, I had to put in this Prism X series because these things are flipping tit. They look the part. They got the power and they put the pressure. If you've got water cooling or something to that effect, this one's going to sort you out right to it. It also comes with an RGB controller setup, so you can put all of those into one header into your motherboard. All of that for 200 Rand a fan seems like a pretty tit deal, but at number 9, it's Alpha and Archon Wireless. If you don't know about these things, they're pretty tit. 17 hours of battery life is nothing to turn your nose up at. The quality and performance at this price is just simply unbeatable. If you want to know more, there's a review from your butt. At number 8, it's a 275R. I'm literally buying one of these at the end of this week because I need to replace my case, so I had to drill some holes into China. This thing is so flippin' tit in its dimensioning. You can put in a GPU almost as big as my head. Now that's saying something. Corsair also slaps a 2-year warranty on it because they're confident in their performance. What? At number 7, it's a 700 watt power supply from Evetech, 7 in 7, made in heaven. This thing claps it hard, China. With a 3-year warranty at this kind of price and that kind of performance, you're gonna be sorted, my China. If you're on a 6 or 8 core and you don't have a massive GPU, then this is the boot for you. And number 6 is one of the best water cooling kits ever made by your boys, Corsair, my bro. 360mm radiator is pretty much the best of the best. The pump technology here is also of the highest quality. Corsair is very confident in their product. That's why they slap a 5-year local warranty on it. Trust me, but you're gonna like it a lot. At number 5, it's an upgrade kit for those that want to be wise with their price. If you're looking for a mid-range gaming PC, this is the one I would steer you towards. The only thing is, you might want to grab the extra RAM so that you get dual channel. Makes a big difference on the Ryzen boot. But for 8 grand, you're getting a 6-core, 12-thread with a proper motherboard that was built for this exact chip, China, and then the RAM to go with it to boot. At number 4, it's a way to get glorious with the Model O, China. This one's a wireless at 1,300 bucks. There's no sensor and setup like this at this kind of money. There is a little bit of delay on the sensor, but you'd be hard pressed to figure it out unless you are the quickest of the quickest, my bro. At number 3, it's a flippin' GPU on special in 2021, China. I actually can't believe it. I'm busy testing this thing's big brother right now, and it's maxed out at 66 degrees. So this cooler should keep it at 70 or less, so it's gonna stay calm under pressure. If you don't know about the 6600 XT, it's basically a 3060, bruh. Hook it up for 9 grand. In the runner-up spot this week, just not strong enough bars to take the prize. So 1 TB. This is pretty much the fastest Gen 3 NVMe you can get, but my bro, they max out at 3700. So 3300 and 2700, it's pretty damn fast. And for the price and the warranty, it makes a lot of sense. Check it out. And finally, the deal with the biggest bars and the most tries is this here upgrade kit. If you don't know, B560s can now tune the RAM speeds, China. So this 3200 CL16 kit that comes with it is going to be a good time. If you can't be faffed with overclocking and dealing with all of that rubbish, 10700 straight 8-core 16-thread performance, nothing to faff with. And of course, because it's Asus tough, the board's bloody beautiful and it works like a charm, my bro. That is it for me this week, homies. If you have enjoyed this year top 10, hit us up with a like and subscribe, and I'll check you on the other side with some bigger bars.